Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to reset Microsoft Authenticator step by step. First, open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone and click on the three-dot button on the top right corner. Click on Settings. Scroll down and go to Backup and turn off Cloud Backup. After that, go to your apps, choose Authenticator app, and go to Storage and Cache. First, clear your cache and clear the storage of the Authenticator. And that's it. You have successfully reset Microsoft Authenticator. For more security and Authenticator tutorials, check our next video on DelftStack tutorials.